For a windfall, looking for attention, looking for supreme, looking for a queen. Just roll with me. If you're looking for a windfall, looking for attention.
Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be showing you a really quick, really easy, really simple pedicure tutorial. It's really not a tutorial, it's just for people out there with foot fetishes. So yeah, this is the things I'll be using. If you would like a more in-depth version, then check out my other video. Okay, so I'm just showing y'all that I put lotion on my feet. Like, I'ma still look like Ash in the video, but like I don't know what it is. Like, I put lotion on, so don't come for me. So yeah, after that I'm just gonna start by taking off my toenail polish and then clipping my toenails. And like I said, y'all, this is not a tutorial. I'm just showing y'all the quick and easy way that I do my toenails when I'm in a rush. I do have a full like DIY pedicure tutorial already on my channel, so be sure to check that out. So this is just some quick dry nail spray. I like to spray this on after I go over my toenails twice with the pink color, and then I go in with this paintbrush. I use this because it has sharp edges and just get the excess paint from around my toenails. And the last thing that I do is just go in with a coat of the clear fingernail polish. So I just go in and put this on top of the pink just to kind of give it a shine, and that's it.